Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open Binance Demo Trading Account. So the first step that you have to do is to download the Binance application. So just visit the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android and search for Binance. Then you just have to download the official Binance application with the yellow logo and make sure that it's authentic application published by Binance Inc. to ensure security and access to all features. Second step is to create your account. So open application and tap register, and then you just have to enter your email or phone number and create a strong password. So make sure you complete the verification code, send your email or phone, and accept the terms of service and tap create account to proceed. Next is to navigate to trading. So log into Binance account, tap the trade icon at the bottom menu and select spot or futures trading rather. And then just look for the demo trading or paper trading option in the menu setting. So it's usually found in the top right corner or the settings icon. Next is to enable demo trading. So just toggle the demo trading on. So you will just see the toggle icon there. So just switch it on and the application will switch to a practice environment with virtual funds. So you will receive virtual USDT. So it's usually $100,000 to practice trading without real money risk. So a banner will indicate that you're in demo mode. Lastly is to start practicing. So you can use your virtual funds to practice trading crypto pairs. You can test different strategies, order types, and market conditions without financial risk. So you can also track your performance and learn from your mistakes. And you could also just switch back to real trading anytime using the same toggle when you're ready. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!